Hey guys, this is Austin from Columbia Coatings, and today we'll be going over the auxiliary air control. This product can be used to send pressurized air to your control box as well as power any accessories you have. Let's go over and see how it works. To start off, take the mounting screws and put them on the side where the rib nuts are. Next, you want to take the auxiliary mount control and line it up by the slots on the back to the screws. Alternate tightening the screws clockwise. Use the included line to connect the gun control box regulator to the back of the system marked compressed air N. From there, you can adjust the PSI setting accordingly to the box. You can use the auxiliary air for your accessories as well. For example, you can use the auxiliary air for the fluidization cake. So that is how the auxiliary air control works. If you like, you can optionally add a moisture air filter to the control box regulator, or you can add it to both the control box air regulator as well as the auxiliary air. You can find our product here at ColumbiaCoatings.com. Thank you and have a great day.